Hey boy, you want the ball?
No, I don't want the ball.
You want it? You want it?
No, I don't want the fucking ball.
Come on boy, go, get the ball.
Are you fucking kidding me? A stupid human.
Oh, brought the ball. Good boy, now give me the ball.
Here, her, stupid.
I like. Again. You want the ball, boy? You want it? You want it?
Oh no, I don't want. Ray.
Dude, that you want?
No.
Okay then, go and search the ball.
Oh no, I don't want your fucking ball. Fuck.
Oh! Wait a moment, can you speak?
Woof, woof.
Oh my god.
Oh fucking, my other has found and I can talk.
Oh shit, my dog understood everything I said since he was born. No, he's now of the born. Oh shit, the dog can talk. What the fuck? You too, Missy Fool? Oh shit.